Hi, I'm Des.
And I'm Rutledge.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast. Today is January 23rd, 2026. It's also National Pie Day.
I love pies. Anyway, let's get to the character of the week. Drum roll, please. Bingo from Bluey.
Wait, Bingo? As in the little red dog?
I guess so. We also have a special interview to watch today. Let's get to it.
Hello, I am Des and this is Graceland, but more importantly, this is Miss Elliott. And would you like to introduce yourself?
Oh my gosh, hi, I am Miss Elliott. I teach science here at Colton Middle School.
Okay, thank you for the intro. Is it okay if we ask you a couple of questions?
Of course.
Okay, first question, what is the funniest thing a student has asked you or said?
I have one student who asks me almost every day if they can buy my belongings. I have been offered $200 for my new keyboard. I've been offered $5 for random things, but just wanting to buy my things is the funniest thing.
If you have one, what is your secret talent?
I don't really think I have a secret talent. I like to bake a lot. That's why I spend most of my time. So I guess I'm a secret talented baker.
What is your dream vacation spot and why?
My dream vacation spot has to be Thailand. I love Thai food. It's my favorite food. I love the beaches. A good TV show I like was filmed in Thailand recently, and it's just so beautiful. And they have cute monkeys there too, so.
Do you prefer books or movies?
Can I say I prefer TV shows? Okay. I mean, if I had to choose which movies, I'd choose movies, but I hardly watch movies. Like last year, I watched a total of like 16 movies, and that was it. But I watch a lot of TV. That's my favorite thing to do.
What's your favorite TV show then?
My favorite TV show is... Good question. I like we'll go with Stranger Things. It just finished. I've been watching it from the very start, and it was good. It was my favorite.
Are you a cat person or a dog person or something else?
I guess in my adult life, I've become a cat person, a cat lady. I have 2 cats, and they are my children. So I grew up with dogs, but I like cats in my old age.
What is the weirdest food you have ever tried, and where did you try it?
So my second to last semester at college, I took an entomology class, which if you're an exploratory, you know that's the study of insects. So my professor brought us flavored crickets and like sour cream and onion, barbecue flavor, anything. So we ate crickets in class that day, just for some fun times.
If you could visit any fictional world or time era, where would it be?
I love a lot of fictional worlds, but I think the one I would want to go visit, live in, be a part of is Mordor from Lord of the Rings. I love where it's filmed. I love Lord of the Rings. It's like one of the best fantasy movie series ever. So yeah, good.
Well, I think that's it for the interview. Thank you.
Thank you. You guys are good interviewers. Bye.
What an awesome interview. I agree with Miss Elliott. Going to Thailand would be awesome.
Okay, well, it's time for the joke of the week. Oh, by the way, it's a little different from where we normally do it. Drum roll, please. Rutledge, open the lid, put your finger in, swish it around, take it out, close the lid. Thank you for cleaning my toilet.
That's disgusting. Anyway, on to more serious matters. Because of Martin Luther King Jr. Day, we will have a 2-day weekend at the end of this week because we had no school on Monday.
On to lighter news. We will have chicken Alfredo for lunch today, and don't forget to get your stamp cards completed so you don't have to go to the opportunity room. Good luck.
The school-wide air hockey tournament begins today during lunch. Game pairing will be shared for the next day during the afternoon announcements.
Next Thursday is the final day of the semester. Be sure to have all your missing work turned into your teachers in advance before January 29th.
Just a reminder that to be eligible for the honor roll, you must have a 3.0 GPA and all grades must be a C or higher.
Though she has worked here since winter break, we would like to welcome our most recent staff member, Miss Bauer. She works hard to keep our building clean and safe, so if you see her around the school, be sure to thank her for all she does.
We are going to begin a new weekly segment called Pet Corner, where we will feature a student or staff member's pet. The first featured will be Mr. Salzman's dog, Penny Lane. She is a 13-and-a-half-year-old English Springer Spaniel who loves hiking and chasing rabbits, squirrels, and birds. Her biggest accomplishment in her life is catching and eating 3 bunny rabbits. Let's give it up for Penny Lane. If you would like your pet featured on the broadcast, email your photos to Mr. Salzman and in a few sentences, tell us about your pet.
Fun fact, do you think the primary language spoken in Brazil is Spanish?
I think it is.
Actually, it's Portuguese. There's a home game for boys basketball team against San Am this Monday.
That's all for the CMS broadcast.
Bye.